Hi children. Okay, now our discussing topic is functional groups. Functional groups. What is meant by functional group, madam? You see here, there. Functional groups in the name only there. Okay, that means it tells us what is the function of that atom or compound in the substance. It is only main function. What is the work? That means if we are taking any organic compound, okay, it has one function in our daily life. No, that the important character will be tell. Okay, that's why it is called functional groups. Okay, that the total complete work of the compound, okay, it tells us. That's why it is called the functional group. I am writing definition. You see that the characteristic properties of an organic compound. You see here, mainly it is telling about the organic compounds only. That's why I am writing in definition. Okay, properties of an organic compound depends upon a atom or group of atom in molecule is called functional group. Okay, do you understand this? You see, in name only there, in definition only is there. Okay, see the characteristic property of an organic compound. Okay, that means total characteristic of the compound depends upon this functional group only. That means of an atom only, or of an group of atoms only. Then you can say this is this compound, like that. That's why it is called the functional group. I will tell you one example for this is, suppose OH. If they are present, okay, if there is carbon compound, organic compound means the carbons will be present. If there present any hydro, that means OH on any carbon, okay, anywhere may be containing this. Okay, then these are called the alcohols. Okay, alcohols nowadays we are using as a sanitizers in our daily life. Okay, we know that. And that means if OH is present on the carbon compound, then it is called the alcohols. That means that alcohols are characterized by the OH group present on it. That's why this is called the functional group. Lastly, suppose there is COOH is present on any carbon in the organic compound, then those are called the acids. Okay, do you understand? If it is called alcohol, like if it is called COOH, then these are called the acids. If it is called NH2, it is called amines, like that. Okay, do you understand? If any organic compound characterized by the atom or some group of atoms is called the functional group, as like this. Okay, but up to first 10th standard, you are thinking very difficult this one. No problem. Okay, yeah, sufficient only 6 or 7 functional groups only. Okay, I will tell you what are those. Now you come to your functional groups. Okay, many are there, but to use sufficient 6 or 7 only. I will tell that one. First I am writing here name of the functional group. Okay, and formula. Okay, and structure. Okay, structure you have to give structure, and suffix. Suffix means that a name will become at ending you have to write. When you are writing nomenclature, okay, after we will discuss about the nomenclature of the carbon compound, that time you will get this suffix sum. Okay, you keep it in your mind, that's all now. Now you come to here, name of the functional group. First I am writing here when we are keeping names, names of organic compounds, then you have to use this order only. Okay, that's why I am telling. First you take COOH. If there are COOH group on any carbon, okay, COOH, then you have to give first importance to that one only. Okay, we will discuss about this one in another video. But now you come to here, first you have to give importance to COOH group if there is on any carbon in the organic compound. Okay, COOH. Okay, this is this acids. Name is acids and formula is COOH. And structure is, you see, C double bond O, OH. Don't confuse here, you see. C double bond O, one O is in the form of double bond, another OH is in single bond. Remaining carbons will be present this side. This is the carbon chain. That means alkyl group is present in this another. That means, yeah, around the carbon there are only 4 bonds only, we know that. Okay, 4 bonds will be present around the carbon. Already 3 is completed in acids. In COOH, see, COOH structure is one double bond O is one side and then another one single bond with OH, another is alkyl group. Don't confuse here, Amma. Okay, this like structure of atoms only called alcohol. Yeah, acids, sorry, acids. Not alcohol, acids. Okay, do you understand? This is. Okay, that's why when you are taking acids, in the first carbon only present COOH, because already 3 bonds are completed. Mainly it is present at the first carbon only. Okay, keep it in your mind. This is suffix is oic acid. Oic acid you have to write at the end. Okay, end of this one. If there is COOH on any carbon. Okay, after we will explain about it. Now you come to, first you have to learn this functional group. Okay, and then after you take second one, you have to give aldehydes. Again there are esters. You see, I am writing here esters and ethers. You are giving after importance. But leave these two. After I will explain about the esters and ethers in another video. Okay. Esters and ethers also functional groups only, Amma. We will discuss about it after video. Now you come to acids after aldehydes. Aldehydes. Okay, you have to give importance to aldehydes after acids. That is CHO. Don't confuse here. Okay, CHO. CHO means, what is the structure of this one? You see. One side is double bond O, another side is a hydrogen, remaining is carbon chain. That means alkyl group. Okay, alkyl group. It is denoted with R, we know that. Alkyl group is denoted with R. In this side is there. Okay, this is about the aldehydes. CHO. Here so many children confusing here, Amma. Here also C double bond O, here also C double bond O. But here one bonding with OH. But here is only with hydrogen. Okay, in a aldehyde. Here coming ALR. Okay, as a suffix. And third one is a ketone. Ketone. Okay, you see, very children feeling it is very difficult. If you know this one, you will get remaining all nomenclature very simply. You take ketone. Ketones means C double bond O. We are writing like this only, C double bond O, because C double bond O, this side also carbon only, this side must be carbon only present in both sides of the ketone. Between 2 carbons only ketone will be present. Okay, that means this one is the CM. Don't confuse here among these 3. Okay, it has double bond O, it has double bond O, it has double bond O. But when you are taking ketone, both sides there is alkyl groups. Okay, this side also carbon compound only, this side also carbon compound only present. In between two carbon compounds, that between carbon only there is double bond O, then it is called the ketone functional group. Okay, this says one will become one. Okay, as a suffix. Okay, I will tell you what is the importance of these names. Okay, when you are discussing about the nomenclature, then you will get it. And next one is the alcohol. Already we discussed about this alcohol. Okay, OH group. OH group is present on the carbon. Then it is called the alcohol. Okay, here see carbon, on carbon OH is present. In this side may be present carbon like this. On any carbon also may be present OH group. Okay, then this is called the alcohol. That means generally we are writing RO or alkyl groups are present. Here this one also R. For understanding I wrote here CC. That means those are also carbon compounds only I am writing. But that represented with R. Alkyl group is represented with R. We know that. Okay, that R is present here. Here also like that. OH may be present at first carbon also may be present OH. If there is OH group on any carbon, then it is called the alcohol. Here you will get ol as a suffix. Okay, last and final one is the amine. Amine, that is NH2. Amines group. Okay, it is called NH2. Amines group. That is this one also NH2 only. But here maybe write like this. Okay, the 3 bonds are present around the nitrogen. We know that 2 bonds are with the hydrogen, remaining bond with the carbon. Because organic compounds only you are writing functional group. Okay, this carbon that means R. Maybe here you can write the R, alkyl group is present. That means this like the group of atoms is called the functional amines functional group. Okay, here coming amine only as a name. Okay, do you understand about the functional groups, Amma? If you know these 5 functional groups, we can characterize the organic compounds. Okay, that means the characteristic property of the organic compound depends upon this group of atoms only. That means if they present COOH group, then those are called acids which we are using in our daily life. Okay. Then if there is CHO group on any carbon organic compound, then those are called the aldehydes. Okay, this is the structure of here maybe write R also. Okay, here you see R is present. That means alkyl group is present here. Then this like CHO, then it is called the aldehydes. If there are C double bond O and between 2 carbons you have to take, then that is called the ketones. And alcohols OH, amines NH2. Here you see when you are writing, if there are COOH on any carbon, you are writing oic acid. Where will you write? I will explain you. Okay, and aldehydes you have to write all, and ketones you have to write one, and for alcohols you have to write ol, and for amines you are writing amines only. Okay, this is about the functional groups which are your using up to 10th class standard with sufficient only this sum. Okay, again I already told you esters and ethers are there. Okay, I will explain you about the esters and ethers in another video, but small thing you see, esters functional group COOR is the esters functional group. COOR is the formula, and ROR the ethers. Okay, this is the esters. This is the ethers. Okay, and it may be present in one video. That's why I am telling this too. I will explain how will you give the names of esters and ethers in another video. Okay, esters and ethers also functional groups only. Okay, which are COOR in formula, then those are called the esters. ROR in formula, those are called the ethers. Okay, thank you.